So, the T-Rex 2000 has been born. So basically I've taken the idea of the T-Rex that I had before, all the engine, all the mechanisms, all the gears were knackered, so I didn't need it anymore, but I wanted the bucket. So I bought the bucket, engineered the bucket and made it so it now fits on the cow fryer. When I'm doing construction, I can take it off if I don't want it on there. And this is the best thing I didn't have before, as I didn't have much clearance. I only had 60 degrees when I was getting rid of the rubbish and soil. So now, this little lever here, I now have this much clearance. Nearly a 90-degree tip. And as you can see, okay, it's going to be full of soil when I do that on site. This hasn't hardly moved because all the weight of the engine is this end. So by cutting off the teeth and everything that was at the other end, I've actually given myself a better dumper area, but also I kept all the rebar on the sides, just cleaned it all up so that when the digger's loading it's not going to damage it. And basically I reckon that'll take a full mix of concrete and everything. So it's one hell of an upgrade, considering the sides were all sort of this flimsy, crappy, I don't know what you want to call it, not even Chinese steel, might have even be Turkish steel. This stuff here didn't even last me a week. I've kept it just for when I sell it on, but for me it didn't last 5 minutes, and I don't abuse things at all, I just use it. So now I've got full flex, full drive. Just want to give it a test now before I paint it all up, make sure it works. I'll get it out in the street and you can watch it as I drive along. So let's get it out in the street and have a test. So let's fire it up, see what it sounds like if it vibrates as well. So getting you out on the street and you can see. Right, let's see what she's like driving towards it. It looks a bit wonky. second gear and see what it does. So, what do you think of that? Considering I didn't have anything. There it is. Bit of an upgrade. That's all the old mechanism from T-Rex. I don't know what I'll do with that. I'll probably scrap it. Definitely leaving it there for today. That's the old part. And then that's the new part. So a little bit of thinking, a little bit of tinkering, I've now got what I wanted for a fraction of the price. I think these go for about 2.5, maybe 3.5 grand, maybe 4. I think there's a company called Buffalo that at a scrap. See that there? Slow you go, faster you go.